Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got myself this little jacket here. I'll show you in a second. I can't show you the front because it has my address on it and I won't be able to do it, but this is what it looks like here. So it's a little jacket for my biking and just a nice little kind of, not really a fleece, but kind of almost a rubber fleecy kind of jacket. So I can use this in the mornings when it's 40 degrees. And then as it gets to be 80 or 90 degrees, I can take it off. So let's feel how comfortable. Oh man, this is really comfortable. I don't know what material. It's like a feltish kind of material on the inside. And I don't remember what size I got. I think I got large because I like my jackets a little big. But that's what it looks like there. There's no pockets or anything. I guess it's a biking jacket, so don't really need any of those. I probably have some back here. There, maybe. I'll check it in a second. But this is it. Comfortable. Ouch. Very comfortable. Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I'll be wearing my gloves and wearing this, and it'll keep me warm. So that's good. I keep everything in a bag in the back anyways, and I have like my camera and everything on the handlebars. So wouldn't really want pockets on a bike jacket, but I might want the back ones. But it's comfortable though, keeping me warm already. Let's see what we got in back here. We have a zipper. Yes, we do. We have a zipper pocket in the back, so I can keep some goose or whatever in there if I want to, although I'm not going very long distance, so probably that'll be empty. I might even just keep my hat in there, so when I stop for a break, I can put on a hat. So very cool. So I like this. I guess USA is size large. That's funny. It gives you the different sizes for the different regions. So me as a US person, I would wear size large, but in Europe, that's an extra large size. And in Asia, that's 2XL. So that's kind of how those kind of work. Actually, I would probably usually wear a medium. So I would probably wear a large in European size. But that's interesting, but it's super nice and comfortable. It's going with me in the back luggage, so I'm packing this sucker up. Very cool. So 2 thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.